Welcome to our channel, Home Fitness Zone. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful yoga poses that will help you burn belly fat fast and strengthen your core. Let's get started. Pose 1. Boat Pose, Navasana. First up is the boat pose. This pose is excellent for engaging your core. Sit on the mat with your legs extended. Lean back slightly, keeping your spine straight. Lift your legs at a 45-degree angle and extend your arms forward. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Focus on balance and core engagement. Great job! Let's move into the next pose. Pose 2. Plank Pose, Kumbhakasana. Next, we have the plank pose, which is fantastic for overall strength. Start in a push-up position with hands under shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute, breathing steadily. Engage your core and keep your hips level. Well done. Now let's transition to the Cobra pose. Pose 3. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. The Cobra pose is great for strengthening your back and stretching your abdomen. Lie face down with legs extended. Place hands under shoulders and lift your chest as you inhale. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, keeping your shoulders down. Feel the stretch in your abdomen. Awesome! Now let's move into some modified bicycle crunches. Pose 4. Bicycle crunches, modified. These crunches will really target your obliques. Lie on your back with legs lifted and knees bent. Bring your right elbow to your left knee while extending your right leg. Alternate sides for 30 seconds. Move smoothly and engage your core. Fantastic work! Let's finish strong with Warrior 2. Pose 5. Warrior 2. Vairabhadrasana 2. Warrior 2 is perfect for building strength and stability. Stand with feet wide, turning your right foot out. Bend your right knee and extend your arms parallel to the ground. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Ground your feet and feel the strength in your legs. You've completed our session. Remember to practice these poses regularly for the best results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness videos. Thanks for joining me today.